This easy twist on collard greens is gonna change the way you think about greens forever. If you're new to cooking or looking for a delicious and nutritious dish to add to your repertoire, you're in the right place. Today we're gonna show you how to make a plate of collard greens with a twist that's perfect for beginners. It's a great way to enhance your cooking skills and impress your family and friends with your culinary creativity. Here's what you'll need: a bunch of fresh collard greens, some olive oil, onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and a special ingredient that will give our dish its unique twist. You'll also need a large pot, a knife, and some basic cooking utensils. First, let's start by washing the collard greens. Simply remove the stems, separate the leaves, and rinse them under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Then chop the leaves into smaller pieces and set them aside. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and saute until it's translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and saute for another minute until fragrant. Then add the chopped collard greens to the pot, stirring well to combine with the onion and garlic mixture. Here's where the twist comes in. We're going to add a splash of apple cider vinegar to give our greens a tangy flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then cover the pot and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the greens are tender. As you're cooking, make sure to check on the greens periodically to avoid overcooking, which can make them bitter. You can also add a bit more vinegar or seasoning to taste. While the greens are cooking, let's take a look at some helpful tips to keep in mind. When selecting fresh collard greens, look for bunches with crisp dark green leaves and no signs of yellowing or bruising. Also, be sure to season your greens properly. You can add a bit of red pepper flakes for some heat or lemon juice for extra brightness. If you've ever struggled with overcooking or bitterness in your collard greens, don't worry, it's easy to avoid. Just make sure to monitor the cooking time and adjust the seasoning to taste. And that's it. Our plate of collard greens with a twist is ready. Let's recap the main steps. Wash and chop the greens, saute the onion and garlic, add the greens and vinegar, season to taste, and simmer until tender. We hope you enjoy this easy and delicious recipe for beginners. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you're looking for more cooking inspiration, be sure to check out our other videos for some tasty recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.